Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a healthy protein popcorn slash salted caramel snack. So first off, you want to get your popcorn light preferably to get less calories if you want it to be healthy. You can get it from any grocery store, Amazon. And then we're going to put this in the microwave. First you got to open it up a little bit. We'll refold it, just got to open it. Put it in the microwave. And depending on your microwave, it's going to be around 2 to 3 minutes. You want to stop the microwave once you hear the pops are like, there's a long time between each pop. So we're going to start now and put it on 3 minutes. Now you can use any flavor. I like vanilla protein powder, or I'm going to use now chocolate peanut butter. So I'll keep this aside. What you want to do is you want to obviously open it up. And don't fill the scoop, just put like 3/4 of it, because we're going to use this to sprinkle the protein over the popcorn. And also in preparation, I've got myself some salted caramel popcorn, also from a grocery store. Got it from Carrefour, it's just like $2. So we're going to open this up and empty a little bit in. Oh, this should be more than enough. Right, so now the popcorn is done. I'm gonna shake it a little bit and I'm gonna open it up. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to just pour everything there, because it's gonna have a lot of the unpopped kernels inside, and it's really gonna hurt your teeth if you try to. But what I like to do is I would put half of it in, and then you can add salt if you want. Make the unpopped kernels go down. Now, here's where the magic happens. Now we're gonna put 1, 2 and a half, and then we're gonna put another one of the salted caramel in here, another one here, and then you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of the protein on it like this. The reason you don't want to put everything and just pour the protein powder on is because it's not gonna sink in properly. If you shake it, it's just gonna all fall down. So we want it to be evenly distributed. Now we're gonna continue with the same process until we have continued or filled up the entire container. There you have it. Now we've got our protein popcorn slash salted caramel popcorn healthy snack. Now, I've added about 2 scoops. So in this meal, I'm having 50 grams of protein. There are about 385 calories in this entire bowl, plus another 125 calories in the salted caramel popcorn for 1 serving, which is about 1/4 of the bag. This means entirely this is about 600 to 650 calories if you take into consideration the amount of calories from the protein. Now the good thing is it's a very healthy snack. It takes time to consume, so you can enjoy it in a movie or whatnot. And yeah, it's better than having any bad dessert or whatnot if you feel like having something sweet.